Hello kids, I am your teacher Emma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Junior Joy TV. Today we will listen a story about the lion and the cows. So let's start. Once upon a time there lived 4 cows in the forest. Every day they used to graze together in a particular spot. They were all friends. One day a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed, and the cow quarreled between themselves. Cows started grazing separately one by one. Lion took advantage of this and started killing one by one to all of them. Lion took advantage of this and started killing one by one to all of them. Moral of this story is unity is strength.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you in next video.